I thought I would make this video to clarify how to use the matrix input on the Pearson website. So your answers have to be sometimes a matrix. So let's see how to put that in. So in this problem, you have to multiply two matrices.
Can I see the video?
Yeah, it's right here, buddy. All right, so I'm going to click in this field and go down here to this button. Right, this little button that looks like a matrix, and I'm going to click that, and it already prompts me. It prompts me here to give the dimensions of the matrix that are going to be the output. Now, based on the two matrices I need to multiply, my output is going to be a 2 by 3. So let me just change this. Right? Okay, so you see now I'm set up for a 2 by 3 matrix, and I just start putting numbers in.
Can I see the video?
It's right here, just look. Like so. If I did all my calculations correctly, not that it matters, but let's check it. All right, so that's how you too can do it. So I hope this helps and helps you get through your homework. Good luck.